In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push your local website project to a public or private GitHub repository and deploy it with Netlify. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along even if this is your first time connecting a project to a hosting platform. The goal here is to take a website project that already exists in your GitHub repository and get it live using Netlify. To begin, log into your Netlify account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option that says Add New Site, and then choose Import an Existing Project. This tells Netlify that you already have a project prepared somewhere else and you want to connect it, rather than starting from scratch. If you're working with a local website project, make sure it has already been pushed to GitHub before this stage, because Netlify will import the project directly from your repository. Next, select GitHub as your Git provider. Netlify will prompt you to authorize access to your repositories. This connection allows Netlify to read your project files and set up automatic deployments whenever you make changes in GitHub. During the authorization process, pay attention to the permissions you grant. You can usually choose whether Netlify gets access to all repositories or only selected ones, which is helpful if you want to keep things more limited and organized. After that, choose the repository that contains your website project. Once you select it, Netlify will ask you to confirm the build settings. This is an important part because the correct settings depend on the type of project you're deploying. If your site is a basic static project made with HTML and CSS, you can usually leave the build command blank. That's because there's nothing that needs to be compiled before publishing. On the other hand, if your project uses a framework or build tool, you may need to enter a build command such as npm run build. So Netlify knows how to generate the final production files. Before moving on, take a moment to review those settings carefully. A small mistake here can cause the deployment to fail, especially if the build command or output folder doesn't match your project setup. It's always better to double check now than troubleshoot later. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy Site. Netlify will begin pulling your repository, applying the build settings, and publishing your site. After a short wait, your website will be live and Netlify will provide a URL where you can view it online. And that's it. Your local website project is now connected to GitHub and deployed through Netlify, making future updates much easier to manage.